2015, 16, 17 Camry. I'm doing the rear silver molding on the rear windows. This top one, as you can see, this one's bent. Going to be replacing this. It's not too bad. It only goes from here to here. There's going to be some drilling required. So what you want to do is take your window weather seal right here and just kind of gently get this out of the way. There's going to be rivets that you need to drill out right there. Let's go ahead and get this off. And you don't have to pull this whole thing entirely off. Just get it, the top part out of the way enough. There's a little clip right here you just pull out, and then it'll stay out of the way a little bit. So here's a rivet here. There's 4 here, and then here. Also get this weather seal off the other side of the door as well. Get yourself a drill bit. Don't get something too big because you got to put rivets in, and if you drill the holes too big, you won't be able to get your new rivets in. Something like this. Get yourself a drill, and yeah, we just got to drill this out. I didn't show it yet, but get the weather seal off the other part of the door on the other side, because when you drill down, the drill is going to go down. Make sure your windows roll down as well, so you don't crack your window and destroy it. Yeah, underneath those rivets is just pretty much the window and the other seal. So sometimes it could take a minute. Try to get it all out as much as you can, and then we'll use like some little cutters or whatever to get the rest of it out, like that. Just try to get it out as much as you can, because your new rivet's going to need the hole to be completely cleared. All right, and then once you get the rivets off, this will just kind of come off. Over here, you got to pull it off because it's clipped on. Just pull it straight up. Just wiggle it, pull it up, and there you go. All right, set this to the side like that. Here's my new one. This is from Toyota. Here's my part number. Links in the description and the comments to Amazon. Also, links will be to the rivets you need. Right here, that's the part number. You also need a rivet gun. And what you want to do with rivets is when you get a rivet gun, if you never used them before, basically you just find which adapter fits your rivet the best, and then you use that. They have adapters you could switch, like the heads. So here's what I was talking about earlier. Get this side off, because if you drill through and this seal is still right there, you're going to drill right into it. I just kind of didn't realize it, but my mistake happened, so you guys don't have to make that mistake. And then make sure it's cleared. You could get it from the back to the hole and clear it out. Make sure before you try to put your rivets in, that they could fit in fine. See, there's where I drilled my seal on accident before I realized. And so when you put this in, you want to start with this side. You want to clip it in, and then once this side's clipped in, you just push it straight down, just gently. You don't got to slam it down. Just kind of wiggle it, push it down. It'll clip into place, and then you can line up the other holes to put the rivets in. Like that. Just line these up and then just start putting your rivets in. Now guys, I messed up. I got some bad footage when I was filming the rivets. But basically when you put your rivets in, you just want to push down as much as you can and then squeeze your rivet gun until they pop. And because what they do is the rivets expand and then they pop off, and then you could just put them in. Sorry, my camera like dropped and I couldn't film myself putting them in. But yeah, they go in like this, and then once they're in like this, you just want to put your window seals back in as best as possible. Just kind of massage them back into place. Put them back into place. See, like right here, goes across. Okay, I got that all nice. And then do the other side. Just put this back in. They shouldn't be too hard. Sometimes they don't want to go back to how they were, but you should be able to get it fine. On this side, there's a little flap that goes under the weather seal right here on the inside, and then there's that little clip you push in, and that's it, guys. So that's how you do it. Hopefully this video helped you out. Hopefully you don't have to make the mistake I made. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Good. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot, you can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a GearmoAuto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in GearmoAuto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.